So the Pixel 10 leaks just keep coming, and I swear at this point Google might as well live stream their design meetings. The latest one, that gorgeous indigo color, is back, and not in some blurry, overexposed leaked photo. No, we're talking Google's own official marketing images. Yeah, they're already out there, and honestly, it looks so good it almost feels like they're trying to make the wait for launch physically painful. This round of leaks comes from Tipster Blast, who clearly woke up and chose chaos. First, he drops a clean close-up of the base Pixel 10, and then boom, the entire lineup. I'm starting to think someone at Google is just hitting send on these files with a little wink. Before diving deep into today's video, a quick request. A single click on the subscribe button from you genuinely fuels my motivation to create more videos like this. It means a lot. Also, drop a like and comment if you like the video. Now let's get straight to today's topic. We've seen that indigo shade before, and it's totally giving really blue vibes from the very first Pixel. Still one of the best color choices Google's ever made. But now we've got two more shades joining the party. Frost, which is this soft, icy blue, and lemon, a bright, zesty yellow that's probably going to divide opinions faster than a pineapple on pizza debate. And just when you think it stops there, no, part 2 of the leak drops in the Pixel 10 Pro, and yes, even the foldable version. These images hit just days after the Pixel 10 Pro was basically revealed from every possible angle, and only a day after the biggest Pixel 10 model leaked too. Now we've got the whole family lineup, minus the base model in that sleek moonstone finish. The best part? We're only about 2 weeks away from Google actually making all of this official. And it's not just the phones. The Pixel Watch 4 and Pixel Buds 2 are apparently tagging along for the ride. So what's the verdict? Are these new marketing shots making you even more impatient, or are you holding out for the hands-on reviews before you start getting excited? Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.